Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be all about the Olive & June Mani system that I've been testing out. Just around 2 weeks ago, I ordered a system, got it, unboxed it, tested it, wore it, tried it, and I'm happy to say it's been working out really well for me. And I know a lot of you probably know this brand already, but throughout my trial and error, I actually picked up on some tips and tricks on how to make this nail polish as professional looking and as long lasting as it can be. So if this is something you enjoy, having your own Mani system at home, something that's easy to apply and also costing only a fraction of what it would normally be in a professional service, then this video is for you. Again, this video is not sponsored, it's just purely my own personal opinion, and I hope it will help you decide whether this system is for you. So let's jump right in. Okay, let me give you a bit of a backstory. I've always enjoyed getting my nails done, but then I have to admit my nails are not exactly the strongest and most healthy, and especially when I was doing a lot of shellac gel nail applications professionally, I did notice that my nails started to become more brittle, easier to peel, and just really dry and dull, and that forced me to stop applying gel manicures altogether. And then I was introduced to the Ohora nail system from Korea. Really beautiful, very nice press-on gel nails that you can stick onto your nail, cure it under a UV light, and have them look as beautiful as a professional gel manicure. I did that for maybe 2 months or so, and then the application and removal and reapplication again damaged my nails quite a bit. It was very dry, brittle, it was peeling and layering and just looked really awful, and I had to stop it altogether. And then I just started using the normal nail polish that you can find in the drugstore. I particularly like the one from Essie. Ballet Slippers was my favorite shade because it's got this beautiful neutral beige, and it's also the one that the royal family in the UK uses. So it just makes your nails look very elegant, very polished, completes your outfit, and you look very put together. But again, after maybe repeated use, I did notice my nails starting to suffer again. So I am on the lookout for something that will help my nails look professional, yet something that won't kill my nails and damage its structure and dry it out. So right now, I'm actually really enjoying my Olive & June. The price actually is quite affordable. Each bottle is around $9 US, which actually is reasonable for what it can do. What I love most about it is 7 free, and that means it has removed the most toxic, harmful chemicals that exist in most over-the-counter nail polish brands, and perhaps those are the culprits that have been damaging my nails and making them dry and brittle. For these past 2 to 3 weeks of use, my nails so far have been looking pretty healthy. I haven't had any issues with it peeling or cracking or splitting. So let's keep my fingers crossed that this is the nail system for me. So I decided to go with their Mani system that included all the things that you would normally find. For example, the nail clipper, the buffer, the nail file. You know, these are items that a lot of people already have, but I decided, well, you know what? I actually could save a little bit more money by buying this set, and I could also pick 6 nail polishes, and they also gifted me 1 extra one to try. So I decided to go for that. I had a 20% discount coupon, and so my total bill was around $75 or so, and I had all these colors to play with. I had the whole set. It came in this beautiful box, and I followed the step-by-step process of cleaning my nail, shaping my nail with its nail clipper, filing down my nail to the shape I wanted, buffing the nail, and also cleaning the nail again with the nail polish remover. I particularly like the nail polish remover pot. It is super convenient where you can just stick your finger in, do a few swipes, and then the whole nail polish is removed. So that is a game changer for me. Super convenient. And actually, one of the things I found to be quite dreadful was to remove the nail polish, and that sort of delayed my changing of the nail polish, and perhaps that also damaged my nails. So this nail polish remover pot is really something I enjoy a lot. So check out the videos, and I'll share with you my tips and tricks at the end of the video. Okay, so tips and tricks. I have to say, prepping your nails prior to application is really key. You need to properly clean them. You need to do whatever you need to shape and file them down, but also buff them so that the surface is nice and smooth. And most importantly is to use the nail polish remover again to swipe your nails to remove any excess oils that may be lingering on the surface. When you do that, don't touch anything and then go straight to applying your nail polish. And then when applying the nail polish, I find 3 coats to be ideal. 2 coats may work for the more opaque shades, but if you want your nail polish to last a little longer and look a little more professional and finished, 3 coats really works well for me, and then top it up with the top coat. And I find this is really pertinent if you tend to wash your hands quite frequently, and reapply that top coat every 2 to 3 days just to keep it looking at its tip-top shape. I also noticed that since my nails are pretty short, and I'm not the type who really likes to have long nails, since I like to type, and I just find having long nails to be a bit of a hindrance to my lifestyle. So I wasn't able to cap the edge of the nails. If you have longer nails, do cap the edge, the tip of your nails. That way it seals the polish and it won't be as prone to the nail chipping at the edges. And then I'm a relatively impatient person, and I know Olive & June offers the quick dry nail polish as well, but I have seen online that people who've used the quick dry system finds that the polish does not last as long. So I'm really in for the sort of professional gel nail look. Even though they look like gel nails, they aren't. And I prefer to give it that extra few more minutes so that it can dry and give me a longer lasting finish. So you know what? Doing your nails is kind of a me time where you take care of yourself. So enjoy that moment. It takes about 5 minutes for me for each coat to set and dry. So I'll apply my coats and then I'll put on a timer to make sure I really give it that full 5 minutes, and I'll just watch a video or do something that doesn't involve my fingers and just let it dry. And I do that a total of 4 times. So for each coat, I'll let it dry for 5 minutes. That makes it 3 coats of nail polish plus 1 more top coat, and that would make it a total of 4 and 20 minutes altogether. So you know what, 20 minutes of just letting your nails dry is not too long, and it really helps the setting and drying of the polish so that you don't accidentally dent or damage the polish while it's drying from layer to layer. And for me, this popper is really my best friend. I find it's very ergonomic. The way I hold it really helps. I just, I rest my thumb on the flat side, and my fingers are supported by the puffy side, and so it's really nice, and it just gives me this better control, better application of each coat. And even when I'm using my less dominant hand, I'm able to maintain that control and not have this very uneven application on my nails. And of course, the correcting brush, for me, I always make mistakes, and so having the ease of using that correcting brush to remove those little bits and pieces of nail polish on my skin, or really just cleans up overall look of the manicure. So I'd say they definitely last for a good 5 days. Anything beyond that may be a bit of stretch, but because it's so convenient to remove and reapply, I have no problems switching in and out of shades. I've been really enjoying all the shades so far, and I know that Olive & June just recently released their gel mani system. Seems to be also an amazing game-changing manicure system. So if you have any comments on whether you've tried Olive & June or you are using their gel mani system, please share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from your comments and see what you think, and also share with me what is your favorite shade. So the shade I'm wearing right now is called Pink Sands, and I really enjoy this shade. And if you have any favorite shades that you particularly like and enjoy, please let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.